Hi everyone, Tridip here from TGT and welcome to the first watchOS update video in this channel. You guys might already know that Apple released iOS, iPadOS 14.7 and macOS Big Sur 11.5 a few days ago. I made separate videos for that. With that, Apple also released watchOS 7.6 to the public. This is available for all the watchOS 7 supported Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 6, this update is available for you now. You have to be on iOS 14.7 or iOS 15 beta to use this watchOS update. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Then open the Apple Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. This update came in around 650 MB in this Apple Watch Series 5. I forgot to take the screenshot though. Now let's check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About. And here you can see the version is 7.6 and the build number is 18U63. Now let's talk about the new features, and the first, if you go to the Weather app, select your city and then scroll down a bit, you can see the air quality data. This data was already available in India, but now with iOS 14.7 and watchOS 7.6, it is now available for countries like Canada, France, Italy, Netherlands, South Korea, and Spain. The next feature was also available in India but is now being added to 30 more countries around the world, and it is the electrocardiogram or ECG and heart rhythm notification support. So if you are using Apple Watch Series 4 or newer and the ECG support was not available in your country, you can now check if it is available for you. Here is the list of all the countries where the support is being added. You can pause the video here and find if your country is in the list. This is one of the most important and kind of life-saving feature of the Apple Watch. But remember, this feature is available only for Series 4 and newer. Apart from the new features, there are some important security updates as well. Let's go to the iPhone and check the release note there. As you can see here, this has a lot of security fixes. This includes updates for ActionKit, where a shortcut may be able to bypass internet permission requirement. Also, updates for audio, core text, and the list goes on and on and on. At the very bottom, we have some WebKit updates as well. If you want, you can go through in details. I will link this in the description box below. Performance wise, this is running absolutely fine in this Series 5 Apple Watch. I am using this for more than 1.5 years now and it is still running nice and smooth, just like new. The app performance is also fine. The battery life is also normal after this update. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then Battery, and check the battery health, and it is 88%. I am using it every day for more than 1.5 years now, so it's okay. With this battery health and always on display, I usually end up my day with around 35% battery life left in this Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 4 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 7.6. It is really stable and I always test updates first and then ask you to update. At this time of the year, we should not expect any new features for watchOS 7, with lots more coming with watchOS 8 in September. That's it. Thank you for watching. In the comment section, do write, should I make more watchOS videos in future? Do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.